how to send large files in Gmail. So if this video have helped you, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you'll be updated if there are new uploads in this channel. So right now we are here on our phone. So if you want to send an email with a large file in it, but unfortunately Gmail has a limit of megabytes that you can send to someone. So I will show you on how to send a large file to someone. That is by using the Google Drive. So phones have this already, and what you would do is go to your Google Drive, and for example you want to upload the video. So by uploading it, just click the plus icon here and click on upload. So it will take you to your phone's file manager, and then just search for the video that you want to send to the person. So let's say that you have already uploaded it, just like this video. Click on the three dots under the videos to share it. So that is by clicking on share. So first we need to manage the access, so click on that icon below so that the video is accessible by anyone with the link, and it is also set to editor so the person can download or edit the video. So to share it, just type in the email of the person that you want to send to. So this will automatically send it to them by clicking the send button. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.